Are you tired of being constantly interrupted by outside noise while listening to your favorite tunes? Look no further because we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Sony WF-1000XM5, the ultimate true wireless noise-canceling earbuds for 2023. These state-of-the-art earbuds are equipped with industry-leading noise-canceling technology, allowing you to immerse yourself in pure audio bliss. Whether you're on a crowded subway or in a noisy cafe, the WF-1000XM5 will block out all unwanted distractions so you can focus on what really matters, your music. Not only do these earbuds offer exceptional noise cancellation, but they also deliver incredible sound quality. Get ready to experience deep bass, crystal clear highs, and rich mids that will take your music listening experience to a whole new level. Pairing the WF-1000XM5 with your smartphone is quick and effortless. Simply open the case and they will automatically connect to your device thanks to their advanced Bluetooth technology. Say goodbye to frustrating pairing processes and hello to uninterrupted listening. These earbuds also offer intuitive touch controls, allowing you to easily play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust the volume with a simple tap or swipe. It's all about convenience and control at your fingertips. Whether you're working out, commuting, or simply relaxing at home, the WF-1000XM5 are designed to stay in place, providing a secure and comfortable fit for all-day use. And don't worry about running out of battery. With up to 8 hours of playback time on a single charge, plus an additional 24 hours with the charging case, these earbuds will last you throughout the day without any interruptions. Even if you're in a hurry, a quick 15-minute charge will give you 1.5 hours of playtime. Now you can always stay connected no matter how busy your schedule may be. The Sony WF-1000XM5 is not only a powerhouse when it comes to performance, but also a stylish accessory. With a sleek and modern design, these earbuds are available in a range of colors to suit your personal style. So if you're on the hunt for the best noise-canceling earbuds for 2023, look no further than the Sony WF-1000XM5. Elevate your music experience with unrivaled sound quality, advanced noise cancellation, and effortless connectivity. Say goodbye to outside distractions and immerse yourself in pure audio bliss. Thanks for watching our review of 2023's top true wireless noise-canceling earbuds, the Sony WF-1000XM5. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and recommendations. Stay tuned for more great content.